Hi everyone, this is my day for today. Today is my duty. I almost done. I have 200 hours. This is my collegiate student like me, but it's different school. She's really shy to show her face. I asked her if she can show her face, but said no, I'm ugly. But she's beautiful like me. She told me that I'm beautiful and she's not beautiful. That's why she's not showing her beauty, her face. So now I'm showing you an outside because I thinking that snow in downstairs is really thick. So you know what, guys? I wear like a rubber shoes. It's not a winter shoes, so I have a big problem with that. Look, it's so white, guys. I didn't wear a winter shoes. It's my big problem. So I know the snow. It's gonna wet my socks. So now I'm done checking the resident. And now I'm packing my backpack. Check everything so I don't forget anything. Now I'm changing my I didn't change my clothes. I just put my top what I take it out while ago when I changed it my uniform because I'm hurry. I check the transit bus in app. It's coming about 4 minutes, so I'm brushing that. So I'm going down rush so I can catch the bus. Sorry, so I can catch the bus, guys. So just I put my pajamas. I don't care. You know what? It's really cold in outside. Do you think you can like a mix sexy in outside? It's really like that. You feel so really extreme cold. Do you know, guys? You're in the like inside of freezer if you are not make warm. So I fix my plastic. I always put there my things if I start my duty because I have thick things like a jacket, scarf, cup, like that. So my things is organized. Now I'm wearing my winter jacket and I almost ready to go. And I'm looking my thing and now I'm in downstairs and I asked them to open the door for me so I can get out because you're not easily to get out there if no key. So now I'm starting to walking. That's why I'm scared because my shoes is not a winter shoes. You're so smart, Mary Jane, but no. Look, I cannot walk properly. It's so really cold. Oh my god, I hope I can catch the bus. So I'm hurry a little bit. So to walk to the bus station. Look, so really thick the snow. First snow is really good, like relaxing to say for first day rain the snow here in Toronto, Canada. Comment below who likes the snow. See, it's really windy, guys. You know, I don't know what gonna to do. I cannot see my. I cannot see anything, and I cannot open my eyes. You can see the little like shady ice snow. It goes to my face, so I cannot really I cannot really wide my eyes. It's really it's it's really snowing, guys. OMG. See, you can see the ice. So now I am running, catching the bus. Thanks God. So I'm just stopping my fare and I'm look the seat and just sit on the front. Now I can relax a little bit, but it's still cold outside. I'm just thankful for today because I catch the bus on time to going home. My home just for 3 stop from my practicum facility. So I am lucky that I found this facility and the able to do my practicum here. I'm very thankful for them. They are accepting student as well. You know what? It's many student they are doing the practicum that facility. They're kind, so they accepting students. So I'm looking my next stop. So I need to be stand up to know the driver I'm getting out because sometimes driver they forgot to stop. I don't know why when you stop the bell, like you press the bell to stop, but sometimes they pass you out. They don't stop. They don't they don't stop. I always repeated that. Sometimes I get mad. Okay, or almost my stop. Okay, I'm getting off now. Look, guys, in my way, so really thick snow now. It's still raining. The raining is so strong, you know. I cannot see my way. I cannot see my way, guys. I was wear this morning sunglasses, but I left at home. I thought it's not gonna be rain like this. I have no idea. So I almost get to the door, my where I live. Look, it's so windy. The snow is coming my face. Okay, just gonna open the door. Okay, you cannot enter without key, so just only have this for resident here. So I don't need to bring the snow inside my unit. So just I need to tweak it, or tweak it. Just take it out the snow, stick to my shoes. Mm, it's so wet, my hair. I hope you like my video. I will see you next time, guys. Please subscribe, likes, and comment. If you have any suggestion video, just comment below. Maraming salamat po. Thank you everyone for watching my video. I hope you continue to watch my video and I will create a new one again. Bye!